They get off?
Yeah.
Huh. When I looked up, that rod was touching.
You're supposed to be watching these back
I'm texting my fiance. Looking at you. Everyone in the boat. Another frosty morning. First fishing trip of the new year. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is it.
This is it. Going up Hubbard Creek, breaking ice, going after the blues. Beautiful morning.
We're going to use a catfishing rig that they use up for fishing vertical, deep water, like Santee Cooper.
Professional fishing guide, Mr. Blue Cat.
Himself. Alan Hay.
Only field tested to 68.5.
Originated from Ingleside, Texas, down on the coast.
Oh no. Cutting up the bait.
One in the eye.
Yeah. Or double hook it, you know, hook and come back through it.
We're pumped up. Hadn't fished for blues in a long time. How long has it been since we went blue cat fishing?
For me, it's been about a year.
About a year. I know it's been longer than that for me, but here we are. Fish on. It's a blue.
It's a little box fish is what that is.
He knows that.
You got a full belly. Look how that's a little chubby puppy.
We're gonna take him home. We're gonna invite him.
Here, hold him right there with the he look real.
May have to tighten your drag down a little bit. We came through that bait ball and we got one.
Came through the bait ball.
Here, Snooze, get him.
We'll put the snoozer on one.
Is he a big?
I think he's the biggest one, yeah. You get the net? Let me get the net.
Almost.
Old Bug called it.
Healthy, good-looking fish. That's them,
They're
man.
big and fat.
He caught that on cut up shad.
Look at there, Bugs. God, his old belly is tight as a drum.
He's eating them shad as fast as he can.
All right, let's get me some pliers.
Pliers.
Pliers right here
Thank you.
in the boat.
Good job.
Yeah. Meanwhile, we're gonna have a little snack. It's almost lunchtime. Since my hands already smell like fish.
Got your little tuna?
Yep. The biggest one.
That's just another thing.
Where's the net?
What net?
Right there, right there.
They're getting bigger. I don't know if we need to run home just yet, y'all.
Nice. Eight. It's bouncing around 8.2, 8.3, 8.27.
Okay. All right.